In case you're experiencing difficulties with the customer complaint roleplay project, I decided to make a screencast video of it, the presentation. Directions. Examples of customer complaints will be presented. For each situation, explain your initial reaction, what you will say to the customer, what actions you will take. Situation number 1, airplane ticket. You are a customer service representative for an airline. A customer comes to your desk stating that they have purchased a first-class ticket, but when they checked in, they were given an economy ticket. You check your computer and see that they have bought a first-class ticket, and it was a glitch in the computer system. What will you do? Write your response on the worksheet provided. Situation number 2, a dental office. You are a receptionist at a dental office. A lady tells you that she is upset because when she called to reschedule her appointment, she learned that she was actually scheduled for the week before and has been charged a late fee for missing the appointment. She refuses to pay since she claims it was scheduled on the wrong day by the person who made the appointment. What will you do? Write your response on the worksheet provided. Situation number 3, a clothing store. You are a new employee working in sales at the clothing store. A customer complains that your company has charged her credit card twice for one purchase and wants you to refund her money in cash. What will you do to help this customer? Write your response on the worksheet provided. Situation 4, store manager. You are the manager of a store. Watching your employees, you notice that a customer came in and nobody acknowledged or approached her to ask if she needed help. She looks a little lost, as if looking for something. Getting frustrated, she then leaves the store. What will you do to help your employees become better at customer service? Write your response on the worksheet provided. Situation 5, restaurant server. You work for a restaurant as a server. One customer says he found a hair in his salad. What will you do? Write your response on the worksheet provided. Situation 6, toy store. You work at a toy store. A man comes in with a toy robot. He shows a receipt and says that it is defective. The toy shows obvious wear and use. You determine that his warranty expired 3 months ago. What will you do? Write your response on the worksheet provided. Summary. Be aware that situations and circumstances vary, but general guidelines should be followed. 1. Be kind and courteous. 2. Be attentive to the customer. 3. Listen carefully. 4. Ask questions for full clarity. 5. Apologize for the problem. 6. Follow company policies. 7. Do not argue with the customer. 8. Handle the situation for the satisfaction of the customer as if it is your level of authority. If it is at your level of authority, sorry. And 9. Know when to call a supervisor if the situation escalates.